This is how to make Blackwater liquid fertilizer. It's an ancient technique for adding nutrients to your plant. This batch is about 18 months old. Let me give it a quick stir. It has quite a stench, be warned, so if you are sensitive to smells, this probably ain't for you. This is plant material that is in various states of degradation. Blackwater fertilizer, or liquid gold, is extremely beneficial to your plants and is cheap and easy to make. So this is how I make it. I've filled this bucket with kitchen scraps, mostly vegetable cuttings wrapped in newspaper. You don't have to add the newspaper, it's just convenient for me. You can use any vegetative material as long as it is not dried out. Peels, cuttings, kitchen waste, clippings, grass, whole plants, let your imagination run wild, just don't add any meat. I'm going to add some Duranta clippings that I trimmed yesterday. Now I'm going to add water, and the key here is to use rainwater, as it is free from chlorine and other purifiers that inhibit the decay process. I collected this water from my roof. Make sure that all the plant material is submerged. Give it a good stir. Just going to top it up. You need to keep it covered, but not airtight, and place it out of direct sunlight. After 3 months it should look like this. The longer you keep it, the better. That's all there is to it. It does take a long time initially, but it's worth the wait, and you can constantly add material to it. Top up the water if needed, and you should never run out. It's now ready to be used. Add 1 part to about 20 parts of rainwater. You can adjust the ratio depending on your needs. Water your plants once a week with this mixture. Avoid using it on seedlings and leafy greens. This is a fantastic way of turning something you would throw away into something valuable. Happy gardening!